Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Kia Picanto 2. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 64 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 5, so ideal for new drivers, and the mileage is just over 26,000 miles, and the car comes with good service history. As you can see, the white paintwork looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you'll see you've got the nice clean interior there. Seats are in great condition for the age. Onto the dashboard, you've got your radio there in the centre with Bluetooth for your phone, and this car also has air conditioning as well as the multifunction steering wheel there and automatic headlights. And then on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and window controls. For a small hatchback, good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so if you're carrying rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's a cup holder there for rear passengers as well. And it's good to see the car's still got the original Kia carpet floor mats as well. And opening the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator kit and a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with the 14-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.